Hey guys, player NBR1 here, and today we're going to be checking out the Tragedy Puppet skin. We're going to be doing Endless 1, and when we get to wave 30, we can see if she can kill the boss. So, let's see. Alright, we can just place this one down, and then we can put this on 3x speed, and... Oh, this is how she looks like a little bit. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So, compete with the ancient Egypt puppet skin. I don't think the Tragedy is my favorite. I think the ancient Egypt skin is my favorite for puppet. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. I'm not gonna upgrade him because I'm not trying to. I'm gonna let him kill some enemies, and then we're going to review the Tragedy skin for puppet. Because I actually never used the Tragedy skin. I just got him like last night. So, well, actually yesterday night. That's good. Okay, it's fine, I guess. Alright, time to review her. Okay, plain old box, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, plain old box. But it's cool, I guess. And the damage is same. The skin doesn't really do anything. But I do like this though. I really like the icon, but I don't really like the skin itself. Like a freaking in-game view like this. I don't like that. It just sucks. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a regular puppet, just inversed. Yo. Oh wait. This is a good skin for starters, I'm not gonna lie, if you want to show it off to your friends, and if they don't know how to play this game. So that could be a cool skin. But this is like a mid-tier skin, I'm not gonna lie. For my personal rating. I don't know what y'all think of it. I just think it's mid in my personal rating. But it's ish. Looks good. Not gonna lie. I do like the hand though. The hand also has the like Tragedy hand detail, you know? Yeah. We're halfway there to wave 30, which is good. Ugh. Oh, I was about to upgrade her. I mean. Shoot. Phantom, 10% range, 12% cooldown. 55% range. That's why I got the Reaper for more damage. Oh, she upgraded herself. I really like the thing about these hero units. They upgrade themselves. That's really good. I like that. I really do like this music though. Okay, Puppy is upgrading herself so I cannot catch up no more. Because I only have like 4K and she needs 5K. Well, I guess that helped. There you go. Maybe almost. I swear if you upgrade yourself, bro, I'm gonna crash out. One. There you go. Now you can upgrade yourself. There you go. Teamwork. So let's review the Tragedy skin. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I really do like the face because it's opposite. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy. It's sad. So like yeah. Wait, let me see the souls if they're okay. So they're nothing different. They're just the same things. Okay, not bad, not bad. But let's see if she can 1v1 the boss. No. Boom, okay. There you could have some of that. And then come on. Okay, Puppet could easily 1v1 the boss. Not even at our max level. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys have an awesome day or night. Peace. Wait. Gonna let these guys kill us. Alright. Peace guys.